sweetie Petey. What you doing? She found her graham cracker. Get good. I brought you some sweet feed. Sweet little goat. It's a sweet girl. Rooster, I'm disappointed in your behavior. You know, it's against the law to hit your family members and try to murder them. We're going to get those spurs removed if you're going to stay here. 'Cause I'm scared of you. Hey, I'm talking to you, Rooster. Don't you turn your back on me. Hey, don't you poop while I'm talking to you, mister. Calm down. Girls, you're going to have to do something with him because he's just too much. He's too extra. I've never seen a chicken that's got that much anger inside of him. You better straighten up and fly right, mister. I'm warning you. I'm giving you a second chance. Okay? Straighten up. I'll get this trampoline run moved for you guys into some green grass if Sonny will behave, that is. I'll try to get that done. So I'm just over here hanging out with Annabelle. Come to have a little talk with that little psycho rooster, didn't I, baby? You better not be attacking us anymore. You got hay on your face. Get hay on your face. Get off, cutie. We hope you guys have a great day, right, Annabelle? Say thanks for watching.